We just arrived at Plantation Bay in Mactan, Cebu, one of the most talked about luxury resort in the Philippines here in Mactan area. And today we are gonna answer one simple question, which is staying one night here enough or is that a huge mistake? We came here as a family because tomorrow we are flying out from Mactan area to Manila City. So this stay is short and very intentional. One night only. Let's see if this place is really worth more time. We arrived here at 13 p.m. in the afternoon after checkout from our hotel in Cebu City. The moment you came in, we are welcomed by the nice view of the reception, friendly staff, and we were entertained by fishes around. If you have children, they will enjoy it here because there are fishes around here in the reception area. After waiting a bit, our room was finally ready. The whole process was smooth and very professional. We were escorted to our room by a service ride, which was honestly perfect since we were traveling with the kids and luggage. Small detail, big difference when everything feels this easy and well organized. And from this on, we start wandering already around all the way to our room. This is our room, and in this door they have a mirror. And we go in to the toilet. They have bathtub. It's really nice, the material of this one, so cool. I think it's a shell or a marble, I don't know. Here you have a big mirror giving a good space. Hello. Here is a shower. You can open and see. Wow, huge. What the heck? That's a lot of program right there. Toilet. We have this one. And go in the other side. Here is a cabinet. I like this cabinet because they have a lot of sections. I put already our stuff here. They have safe bags, different compartments on this one. Raining outside. We have a big bed. But since we have children, we ask for the extra bed on the floor because it's too high without the small bed here on the floor. It's too high for the children and they might fall down, so that's dangerous. Then we have here office table, fridge, a relaxing chair. For the chair, you have to pay 100 pesos if you want. Nice painting here. And they have a lock here, which is safe, but the kids can open it, so dangerous also. Let's see, you just have to watch out. We have here chair, table, and this is the style. It's really nice. It's raining today. Yeah, why are you calling Papa? Calling. He wants to call you only, that's all. You can sleep here. This is nice warm. If you need any... Go to the ocean and relaxation. Salamat, sir. They have ocean here, but it's stony, so we decided to just go out. It's stony. Don't worry, they have a sand lagoon water, not the open sea. That makes it much safer for the kids to play and relax. Beach or not, this is a plantation-based lagoon, and honestly, families might be even better. Here we enjoy the scenery. You can go for a walk and enjoy the sea creatures here. You can see different ones.
I never step on stone underwater. Big fish.
Yeah, that's really big.
Can you show me one?
Oh, so this is the bird watching here. That's fine. This is the bird watching area. Stay active even on the vacation. There are different games you can play, a gym, you can rent a bike as well, but in our case we did not rent a bike because this is already included in our room that we check in. If you don't want to rent a bike, of course, you can also just use the jeep service they have available. They are actively roaming and taking passengers to bring from one place to another. This is one of the most memorable places we ever had, especially for my son because he learned his first bicycle here. For a golf lover, they also have it here. Break! Nice! This is Savannah Park. There are so much activities to do here. Here you can make archery. And here is for the climbing. And the kids can play here. Los! So much activity. Oh, you will never be bored here. Oh my god. For kids especially, oh my. Here we can make golf. And in the side is where you can get all the things for the golf, for all the playing equipments here in this section in Savannah Park. It feels safe, open, and well maintained. Whether you want to move a bit or just keep the kids active, there's something for everyone. Relax when you want, move when you want. So since we don't have the whole 24 hours here in Plantation Bay, I decided to go for a swim directly with my son, even in the rain after the Savannah Park, which we enjoy the most because the water here in the lagoon is a salt water and I'm loving it so much because especially it is close to our room. After that, let's get prepared for the dinner. Plantation Bay is not just a resort, it's a culinary destination. And for our first and last dinner here in Plantation Bay, we are choosing tapas and pastas for Mexican food restaurants. While waiting for our foods, our kids we bring in the playroom area and it's just perfect because it's next to the restaurants. I ordered chocolate smoothies and really delicious pastas as well. The evening dinner was amazing, delicious, and this is not the only restaurant. Good morning, today's checkout. Before that, let's have breakfast and enjoy the last scenery of Plantation Bay. Is Plantation Bay worth for one night? Short, honest answer first is a yes. Plantation Bay Resort and Spa is worth it for one night, especially for families and before a flight. There's a catch. Why one night makes sense? A very smooth check-in and check-out. Huge room, easy with kids. Calm lagoon instead of waves, safer for children. Perfect if you fly the next day from Cebu. You still get the luxury and the atmosphere. Here's the downside. The resort is massive. One night feels a bit rushed. You won't experience everything all at once. Real take, for one night it's a great and stress-free. But if you want to fully enjoy the resort, 2 or 3 nights would be better. Worth it for one night? Yes, but now I understand why people stay longer. Have you tried other hotels in Mactan? Check out our family reviews of Costa Bella Tropical Beach Hotel next. And don't forget to subscribe. I make family travel reviews like this.